How to remove your Teams account from your PC. What's up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily remove your Teams account from your PC. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Teams app, or if it is on your browser, you can just sign in on your browser and see which account you want to remove. So from here, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right, and then simply tap on sign out. And make sure you sign out completely from your account. Now, if you want to remove it completely from your device, then in that case, what you can do is open up your settings menu. So go ahead and search for settings. And once your settings is open, head over to your account section on the left side of your screen. Now, once you are on your account section, scroll down until you find access, work, or school. So it might be because the account that you are trying to remove is set as your school or work account. So see if there is the account that you want here. And if there is, you just want to go ahead and remove it from here, and you should be able to easily remove it from your PC. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.